Hey guys, what's up? Scott Clark with Scooter Media, and today we're doing something on the channel that hasn't been done before, and that is an unboxing. And I am pretty excited because we are unboxing the new ASUS laptop. This is the Zenbook Pro Duo 15-inch, and I'm pretty excited to dive in and see what this thing looks like. So let's get right into it. Okay, so first thing we're going to do is put our tape here. Okay, it. Keep that there for now. Okay. Some stuff here. Okay, so let's see what we have here. And there is a box for the laptop, so we'll leave that there for now. We'll just show you the box there, and there's what it looks like. Pretty exciting. We'll leave it there so we can see the top down. Put that. So it looks like it does come with a little bit of a backpack here. So that's pretty cool. It does come with a little backpack to keep the laptop in, which is a nice little touch. There it is, the backpack, I should say, from the top angle. And yeah, backpack. Okay, getting hot. That looks like the kickstand that comes with it. So if you need to raise it up, you can attach that to the bottom. And I assume this is going to be our power cable and whatnot. So let's have a little look-see at the box here. So, ouch, that hurt. What's supposed to happen? Alrighty guys, I'm working up a sweat doing this. Okay, there's the box again without the cellophane on it. Top angle, and there it is for our other camera angle. And then we're gonna spin it around, take the lid off. Ooh, and it opens up just like the here does. So let's take a peek here, guys. There's the machine. Here it is. Okay, let's take this cellophane wrapper off and be very careful here. Okay, and there we have the new laptop. We're going to take our little screen protector off of there. And oh boy, I got to wipe the sweat off. I'm getting so excited. I'm sweating up a storm here. Sorry about that. Look at that. There it is. Man, I cannot wait to dive into this thing. So I'm going to peel this little thing off the top here. The specs. Throw that down there for a minute. Have a little look-see here to show you guys the back. I think they call that celestial blue. And there it is. Boy, oh boy. Exciting stuff. So guys, again, today I'm just kind of doing an unboxing, just kind of show you what it comes with. I am going to do more of a review and talk about the specs. And after I've tried it a little bit, I will give you guys a little bit of a review and tell you how it's working for me. But I plan to put this thing through the ringer and do, like, again, some serious 4K editing on this thing. But yeah, just give you one more peek here. Got the two screens. Beautiful. And then I'm just going to check this other package here that I believe was our power. Glue just to the side for a second here. And let's see, I believe this is going to be our power brick. And how do you get into it? There it is. And there it is. Power for our computer. Okay. So in here, what's this? This is, oh, the booklet and information. Okay. Good to know. Keep that safe. Oh, and there's our stylus pen. And that does work on both screens, so that'll come in handy. I'm not sure how much I'll actually use it, but you never know. Once I start using it, I might use it all the time. And there is the wrist support pad. So I believe, we'll just close that up again. And I believe that if I bring this guy over, this thing just kind of shoves up to here, I see. And then it makes it a little bit easier for you to type, and you got your wrist support. Okay guys, that's it for the unboxing for today. We got to see the computer. I am totally excited to go try this thing out. I can't even speak. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put this thing through the ringer, do a bunch of editing, get it all set up, and I'm going to come back in a little bit, do a full review, and give you guys my thoughts on how it's working for my situation and for my editing and everything like that. But super pumped and can't wait to show you guys this thing in action. If you guys found value in this video, please give it a thumbs up. And if you haven't already, please consider subscribing, as it does help my videos go out to a larger audience. Thanks for watching today's video. I appreciate it, and I'll see you in the next one.